Hello Uganda, hello everyone, hello Busoga. Balamisa basibo ni banyabo. Kagoya and Lisa, the reigning Miss Tourism Busoga 2024-2025. At this juncture, I thank the Chabazingo Busoga, Isebantu, Baba Oife, William Wilberforce, Governor Diopo Wokuna. We are glad that you created the Ministry of Tourism and Heritage in Busoga, which has opened doors for many girls. Mami Helen, we are too thankful for your endless love and support. Mama Kadaga, we are so humbled by your unconditional love, care and support. I belong to Vaiseba Kuvekland. I'm age 20. I went to Queen of Peace Primary School, Lubaga. My O-level, I went to within SS, Kalido, where I also went for my A-level. I'm a Chambogo student pursuing a bachelor's degree in accounting and finance. I'm looking forward to promoting ecotourism. This is through planting trees and encouraging people to plant trees. This will help us to conserve the environment, and in the long run, this can also be a source of income, helping us to reduce the poverty levels in Uganda among the youths. As by the time the trees grow, the people have grown and they can earn something. So on this juncture, I call upon all the people in Uganda to plant trees, reduce cutting down trees, let the trees grow. I also call upon all conservation bodies like the National Forestry Association, the NEMA, come out and teach people on how to conserve the environment, encourage them to conserve the environment and facilitate them. As Miss Tourism Busoga, I intend to boost the tourism sector in Busoga through identifying the different weaknesses in the tourism sector and letting the responsible bodies know about them and on how to improve. Then, in addition to that, I will use my social media handles to post those unknown, unique, beautiful scenarios we have in Busoga. For example, Bukowe Hill, very few people know about it. Busamu Hill, oh, a wonderful creature that people don't know about. So it is through my social media handles that people will know about them, hence promoting tourism in Busoga. Then we shall work hand in hand with the Ministry of Tourism and Heritage in Busoga to unveil more tourism sites so as to diversify the tourism sector here in Busoga. And then clear imposed views and different perceptions on pageantry and especially contestants. Dear world, dear Ugandans, Abasoga mwina mwina. Contesting is a beautiful thing. It has no disadvantages, that's what I can say. I know most people keep on saying there is exploitation, there is bribery, but all those are not there in Miss Tourism Busoga. I believe our pageant is the best in Uganda. At this juncture, I invite all able girls and everyone come up and contest. All sponsors come and support all the girls that come out to contest for Miss Tourism Busoga. Then to the girl child out there, those in school, please keep in school. Patience pains but pays. There are a lot of beautiful things after education, and when one studies, you make yourself luckier, unlike one who didn't study. Then those that are out of school due to various matters, please try to equip yourself with on-hand skills. This will help you to generate income and survive. Because if you can't do anything, you cannot survive. Thus, you involve in a lot of crimes. Something that will ruin your future, will ruin your life and generations to come. So to the girl child, keep in school, avoid early marriages, and always abstain from sex. I pray you all become responsible. To those that engage in relationships at a tender age, avoid. Once you avoid tender relationships, there will be no early pregnancies. Keep in school, protect the girls, encourage the girls to go to school. Once a girl goes to school, you'll have a happy family, an educated mother and an educated father. This will reduce the dependence burden to the family. So boys out there, keep in school, encourage girls to go to school, keep the girls in school moving, encourage them to read books, encourage them to work hard and harder. Boys out there, to the men that do not take care of their children, please pull up your stockings. A father is only credited after being a responsible dad, not after giving birth to a daughter or a son. Thank you.